Flame. Flame is a region where combustion of fuel takes place to produce heat and light. The color of flame depends on the temperature, availability of air, and nature of substance burning. Various zones of a candle flame. If we watch the flame of burning candle, we can observe the different zones of the candle flame. It can be described as follows: outer zone of complete combustion, which is blue in color; the middle zone of partial combustion, which is yellow in color; innermost zone of unburnt wax vapors, which is black in color. The outer zone is the hottest part of flame, almost colorless; the middle zone made luminous by glowing carbon particles; inner zone little combustion through lack of oxygen;